Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining today. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple process of adding a bio in the NewsBreak app. Many people use NewsBreak to share their content and engage with readers, and having a clear bio helps you stand out. Build trust. First, open the NewsBreak app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the Complete Profile option, and you will see an option to add or edit your bio in the designated bio field. Simply type in the details you want to share about yourself. Finally, once you finish typing, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button to make sure your bio is updated successfully. Your profile will now display your new information to your readers. Your profile will now display your updated information to your readers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.